There are over 33,000 tire-related crashes every single year. Think about that. Not engines, not brakes, not drivers, which means something most salespeople never tell you: tire brands matter a lot. The wrong tires won't just cost you money, they could cost you your life. So today, I'm breaking down the top 11 best tire brands you can actually trust. And at the end, I'll reveal 3 popular brands you should avoid like your life depends on it. Because honestly, it does. Let's start with a company that's quietly embarrassing luxury brands. Number 11, Falken, racing technology for the streets. From day one, Falken wasn't built to be average. It was created by Sumitomo as a high-performance division, kind of like Lexus is to Toyota. But here's the crazy part. Falken started outperforming its own parent company. They use silica-enriched rubber compounds for better grip, longer life, stronger wet traction, plus innovative tread designs like 3D canyon sipes for snow and winter grip. And they even include noise-canceling tech so your ride stays quiet. That's why brands like Porsche and Jeep use Falken as OEM. They also solved something called the interstate meltdown problem, overheating at high speeds. Their heat diffuser tech keeps temps down and prevents blowouts. Only downside? They're a little pricey, but still cheaper than some overpriced brands we'll roast later. Number 10, Cooper, affordable durability. Imagine building tires so good, Goodyear buys your entire company. That's Cooper. Their biggest strength? Long life. These things last forever. They even include a wear square indicator molded into the tread that shows alignment issues, rotation timing, and tread life. Super practical. And they use high silica rubber just like premium brands, but at a lower price. I've personally seen Coopers hit 70,000 miles without sidewall damage. For trucks and SUVs, these are absolute tanks. Number 9, Yokohama, the premium underdog. This brand constantly beats bigger luxury names. J.D. Power ranked them above Pirelli, Bridgestone, and Michelin in customer satisfaction. Their secret? Believe it or not, orange oil. Yeah, actual orange oil. It improves the molecular bond in rubber, making it stickier, more durable, and flexible in cold weather, so you get crazy grip without fast wear. From daily drivers to track cars, Yokohama just delivers value every time. You pay less, but perform like you paid more. Number 8, B.F. Goodrich, the Sidewall Kings. Founded in 1870, the OG of American tires. These guys dominate off-road durability. Their legendary KO2 tires have sidewalls nearly twice as thick as normal ones, which means rocks, curbs, branches, potholes barely matter. Plus, they're self-cleaning, ejecting mud and debris automatically. If you own a truck, SUV, or do any off-roading, these are beasts. Only drawback? Limited selection. Number 7, Hankook, global performance powerhouse, world's 6th largest tire maker. Supplies BMW, Mercedes, Porsche, Tesla, Audi, basically everyone. Consumer Reports ranked them best for EVs. Why? Low rolling resistance and excellent grip. They're obsessed with braking performance, hydroplaning resistance, longevity, and here's the crazy part. They're often 40 to 60% cheaper than Michelin with nearly identical performance. Huge value play. Number 6, Pirelli, the racing genius. F1, that's all you need to hear. All that tech trickles down to street tires. Their smart polymers literally change behavior depending on load. Cruising, low resistance. Cornering hard, stiffer grip. Wild engineering. Plus, incredible handling, quiet ride, run flat tech. Only problem? They wear fast. Some models die at 30,000 miles. Fun tires, not always budget-friendly. Number 5, Bridgestone, the technology leader. Yes, they're expensive, but you get 80,000-mile warranties. That's insane. By the time these wear out, cheaper brands might need 2 to 3 replacements. They use nanotech compounds that adapt to conditions, improving grip, heat resistance, fuel economy, and their run flats are some of the best on the planet. Premium price, premium results. Number 4, Vredestein, the hidden gem. Most people can't even pronounce it, but mechanics love them. Dutch brand, massive R&D investment, beautiful designs. Consumer Reports ranked them top 3 overall. They're quiet, comfortable, durable, and surprisingly affordable. If you want premium performance without premium pricing, this is your sleeper pick. Number 3. Continental. Relentless innovators. German engineering, huge lineup, constant innovation. They even have Conti Seal tech that automatically seals punctures while driving. Yeah, self-healing tires. Plus, insane wet grip, low noise, great longevity. Only downside? Price, but you're paying for serious engineering. Number 2. Goodyear, the master of all. The most popular American tire brand, still dominates NASCAR. Uses Kevlar reinforcement, yes, bulletproof vest material in some tires. Result? 35% better puncture resistance. They make tires for cars, trucks, airplanes, heavy machinery. That experience shows. Great all-weather performance and durability. Super reliable. Number 1. Michelin, the undisputed champion. No surprise here. Michelin is simply the gold standard. Consumer Reports tested 8 models. All 8 were recommended. They use high silica compounds, sunflower oil, and EverGrip tech, which keeps traction strong even as tires wear down. And these things last. 80,000 miles isn't unusual. Yes, they're expensive, but you buy them once and forget about tires for years. Honestly, if you want zero stress, just buy Michelin and move on with life. Now, the brands to avoid. Number 3. Fortune. Cheap Chinese budget tires. Poor wet grip, weak rubber, multiple reports of blowouts. Not worth the risk. Number 2. Accelera. $60 tires that perform like $20 tires. Terrible in the rain, short lifespan, warranty games, sketchy safety, hard pass. Number 1. Firestone. Controversies, recalls, tread separations, inconsistent manufacturing, and overpriced for what you get. At that price, you're better off buying Cooper, Falcon, or BF Goodrich instead. Here's the truth. Your tires are the only thing connecting your car to the road. 4 small patches of rubber. That's it. Cheap out there, and everything else doesn't matter. Spend smart, and you get better safety, better fuel economy, longer life, less stress. So now, I'm curious, which brand are you running right now? Drop it in the comments. And if you want to protect yourself even more, watch this next video where I break down 17 tire mistakes that could literally get you killed. See you there.